Wakajangatsji, Huinga Atka Oyangaugok. Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? My name is Kenlin Oyang Henry. I am full Yupik and I am currently living in Eek, Alaska, where I grew up. I lived in Bethel for the last 5 years and I was working for the University of Alaska Fairbanks Canner, doing research on the connection between wood stove smoke and lower respiratory infection. The grant I was working under ended, which gave me the opportunity to go back to school. I am a junior in the elementary ed program. As you can see here, is a picture of my family. I am the oldest of my 2 brothers, and here's my family at my graduation. I have a 2-year-old son named Camden. I really want my son to be able to read and write and communicate in Yupik, which is one of the reasons why I'm in the elementary ed program. When I do get my BA, I want to return to the village and teach in both English and in Yukdun. I enjoy quilting, crocheting, beading, really anything to keep my hands busy. I also enjoy traveling, whether it's for subsistence or for fun. And then moving on to the Clifford's article. What roles, if any, should anthropology play in native cultures of Alaska? I think anthropology plays a very important role in native cultures of Alaska. The history and study of native cultures of Alaska is still very new to us, and with the help of anthropology, we are rediscovering lost stories and previous ways of living. I believe anthropology is very important for native cultures in Alaska because in order for a culture and tradition to thrive, we need to know the history and stories of the past. The Alutiiq culture mentioned in Clifford's article is now revitalized and rediscovered. Anthropology helped the Alutiiq community get connected with who they really are. In previous times, mistakes were made by researchers that were disrespectful to the cultures they were studying. But if research is done right and correctly with respect and the cooperation and the contribution of the communities, a lot of people will benefit from what is discovered. The Alutiiq Museum is a positive example of researchers and the Alutiiq community working together to rediscover their lost culture. We could learn a lot of what was lost and how people lived in the past that led us to where we are now. Thank you, and I look forward to getting to know all of you. I hope you all have a great semester. Thank you.